Hello guys, welcome to Technical Rajiv. It's me Rajiv, and today I bring a video that how can we translate the language. This is a very simple and interesting video. Please watch until the end, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channels. And now let's start the video. So first, it's very easy way. I will show you. It's very easy way to how to change the language. So first, let's go to the Play Store and just type the trans translator. Okay, just you can press it, this one. Now you have a translation. There is a lot of translation over here, but the main thing that what you need to pick up is just go the Google Translate. This is the one, the Google Translate over here. Just tap it and then just download and install it in your device. It will take little bit times. If your internet is fast, it can take just a few minutes. The Google Translate is very easy to translate your language. Like for example, if you are from somewhere and if you are confused about your email or something that you can understand the word, no need to ask with someone. Just open your mobile and then you need to have these apps. After that, just you have to type the word which you have been confused, so that you can actually you can find out the solution within your site. So just watch the video until the end and you can do it. There is a lot of translator can work. Every translator can work in every device, but the problem, the Google Translator is very easy and simple way, and then it's very simple trick that you can translate a language, an accurate language. Whatever you are going to translate, it is an accurate that it's given from the site. So this is the Google Translator. You can see the logo also, and then just after installing, just make it open. After when you open the device, the screen will appear like this. Okay, so the front side, this one is the English and this one is the Spanish. Now you can translate the any language from any site. Like for example, you can make the like for example Arabic here, and then if you want to make the any of the language, like anything, whatever, like the Nepali is here. So if you type from the Arabic, and if you, it will be translate automatic to the Nepali. Okay, so I will show you from the English. So main thing what you have to do is just check out the English. Okay, I'm gonna to show you that where is the English. Yeah, this is the English. Okay, so this is the English, and then okay, let me check the Hindi here. Hindi. Okay, from the India, there is so that you can translate it. So this is the Hindi. So if you write the how are you over here, are you, how are you, okay, this is the one which I have been type. Okay, so this is the Hindi. See, this is the available here. Kya haal hai, how are you, kya haal hai. So just you can copy and paste also. Like for example, you can select like the drag, only the part is copy. You can copy here and you can paste where you want to translate. Like for example, if you are translate from translate, if you are going to send from the WhatsApp, or if you are going to send from the email or whatever, just copy it. It will be copied in your clipboard. After that, you can just paste it and just check whether it is correct or not, and then just send it. This is very simple. You can find a lot of language over here. This all the language you can use it. Okay, and the things that the English, you can also the change from here. Any language you can type. You can make the keyboard as special that according to your language, and then you can just make it change. This is the system that can, and then you can change from Hindi to English also. Just tap here like this. See, it can the Hindi here and then English here. It's very easy and simple, guys. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, just keep on subscribe, and then stay tuned for upcoming uploads. This is very simple and easy tricks to translate the language. Thank you so much.